gonna review this Angelus Clear Shoe Cement product. I do a lot of work around the house and I need lots of old shoes because I do a lot of paint, power washing, and I need a lot of work shoes. And these are my son's old gym shoes. And after a while, the bottom of the shoes comes off like this, and this one as well. And instead of throwing them away, I'm gonna glue them because I need lots of different work shoes around the house. So the instruction here says you gotta first clean the surface cleanly, and it says sand this surface down. Okay, so I already sanded it, all four. And then they said clean it thoroughly, so I'm gonna use alcohol and my daughter's old t-shirt. Clean off any dust. Okay, so the instruction says clean the shoes thoroughly, and you're gonna apply this glue and you're gonna let it sit 5 to 15 minutes. Shoe cement must become extremely tacky in order to create the best bond. After 5-10 minutes, press articles together using a normal press or a clamp. Okay, and then you're gonna let it dry for 24 hours. So you don't want to clamp this down or close it until it becomes tacky. This glue was thicker than I anticipated, so it doesn't spread very easily. So I had to go apply it twice to ensure that all surface is covered, especially the edges where it becomes unglued first. And then I used a long 2.5-inch nail to separate the glue surface to allow the glue to become tacky for a few minutes. I'll speed up the video here for the same repeated process on all remaining shoes. Now it's been less than 5 minutes, but the glue seems to be drying up faster than I anticipated. And that's probably because the outside temperature at the time was close to 100 degrees that day. So I quickly started to close the shoes and apply pressure all around the glued area, and then used a masking tape to tightly wrap the shoes in place for glued surface to remain bonded for next 24 hours. Well, it's been 24 hours. Let's see how they turned out. This part that I glued, here I didn't get enough glue here, so I may touch up here and here also. But otherwise, it looks to be holding up pretty good. Yeah, same here. I just didn't get glue on the edge, but I can't seem to pull apart. Yeah, same here. Looks like I didn't get enough glue in there. This side is good. I think it's holding up pretty good. Yeah, I'll just get a little bit of glue on the edges here, a little bit. So it's been a couple of weeks since I glued these shoes, and I worn both of them at least several times to cut grass and do other work around the house, and they've been holding up. You can see I put too much glue here, so I wasn't as careful. So that's one drawback. That could be because outside temperature was too hot and the glue was thickening too quick. I didn't try the indoor temperature yet, but because it was kind of thick, it was not easy to spread as easily. So when you work on good shoes that you're gonna wear, going outside, you might want to be careful not to overspill like this. But in terms of the strength of the glue, it's pretty good. It's holding up really well. So I recommend the glue for the strength, but in terms of the viscosity, to me it's a little bit too thick to work with easily, but that could be due to the outside temperature being too hot and with the high moisture. I hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with more DIY videos.